Looking for ways to maximize your gardening space? Ever considered going vertical? Today, we're diving into the world of vertical gardening, a space-saving, yield-boosting, and aesthetically pleasing solution. Intrigued? Stay tuned as we break down the process of setting up your very own vertical garden. To start your vertical garden, gather these basic materials. A sturdy wall or fence forms your garden's backbone. Hanging baskets and vertical planters are your canvases. Potting soil provides nourishment, and a selection of plants brings life and color. With these materials in hand, you're ready to take the next step. Now here's how to set up your vertical garden in easy-to-follow steps. First, you'll need to choose the perfect location. Look for a wall or fence that gets plenty of sunlight, but not too much direct heat. Once you've got your spot picked out, it's time to prepare your wall or fence. Clean it off and make sure it's sturdy enough to hold your planters. Next, it's time to arrange your planters. Start from the bottom and work your way up, making sure to leave enough space between each one for your plants to grow. Once you've got them all arranged, it's time to fill them with nutrient-rich soil. Make sure it's well-draining to prevent waterlogging. Now, you're ready to plant. Choose a variety of plants that love the vertical life. Think trailing vines, succulents, and herbs. Plant them in your containers and give them a good drink of water. Congratulations! You've just set up your vertical garden. But remember, it doesn't end here. A beautiful garden is a well-maintained garden. Here's how to keep your vertical garden thriving. Regular watering, occasional fertilizing, and frequent checking for pests are key. Embrace these tasks. Let them become part of your gardening hobby. With proper care, your vertical garden will not only save space but also provide you with a rewarding gardening experience. There you have it, a simple and effective way to maximize your gardening space. Remember, setting up a vertical garden is as easy as gather, set up, maintain. It's all about space efficiency and beauty. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!